Good afternoon, everyone. So, I believe you have a nice time. So, if you have been following me up, we have been talking about using Python code editor for Python on your phone. Now, the last time we talked about variable, but now I would like to put more light on variable and string. We talk about variable and string. Now, there's something we call concatenation of string and variable. Concatenation of string and variable. We are going to talk about the meaning and examples. Now, when we talk about string concatenation, we are saying that concatenation means joining of things together. So now, but we are talking about concatenation of string and variable. That means joining string and variable together. So that is the meaning of concatenation. So of string and variable. Now let me put more light on string and variable. So when you go back last tutorial, we assigned a love text to a variable called name. We assigned a love text computer to a variable called name. Now, this I love text computer is a string. It's enclosed with double quotation. You can use single quotation, it's all the same. Now, this name is what we call variable. Now, when you print the variable, the computer is going to display I love tech computer because I love tech computer is what we want the user to see, and the string is what the user will see, but the variable is for the programmer. I hope you get that gist. Now, without wasting much of our time, so I'm going to remove this. I'm going to clean this. I hope you are with us. I'm going to clean this. Now I'm going to give you an example. Now let's say we're trying to want the computer to take an input from a user. So it's going to ask name. That's what we write name, and we're going to write input. Input. Without the input, the user cannot type anything. But if you want the user want to take input from the user, so you must write input in front of the bracket. Then we have a bracket with double quotation. Then we ask, write our question, what is your name? What is your name? We put one space. You can make it two depending on your own digression. So we put our question mark. Now we print, right type print, put our double, our bracket, then we don't need the quotation. Sorry, we don't need this. Yes, then we said you can type your. Sorry, we need to put our quotation since we are concatenating string and variable. You said your name is. We have a quotation. This quotation is telling us that this your name is a string, then separated by comma. Then we can put more space. It said name, type name. Your name is. Now you can see we assign a variable called what is a name, which will take input from the user. So this input shows that we are going to take input from the user. Yes. Then now it's going to display after you press enter. It's going to display your name is your name is a string. That's what we enclose with double quotation, and then it's separated with comma. Then you can put one space or double space. So let's check it out. So let's say, okay, what is the name? Okay, very good. Let's say Gabriel. Let's say your name is Gabriel. Then you press enter. You see, your name is Gabriel. Can't you like that? You don't like that? So let's go back, because you can see that Gabriel is very close. So it is supposed to be like that. So we should be able to write something good. Then we'll come to this question mark where you have your uh, double quotation. So you add a space. Then let's go back again. So let's try again. Then we have Gabriel. Then I just say Gabriel Bolaji and let's see what will happen. You see, your name is Gabriel Bolaji. That is, I think this good. This is perfect. Now, what I want you to do is this. I want you to let me show you what you will do. You are going to allow a user to input their age. Yes, there will you create a variable called age. Then you ask them what is your age. Then you print it out as your age is. Then you concatenate the variable and the age together. You can see this is a string and this is a variable. So we assign name to the question, what is your name, which is a string. Then we'll put input to accept input from the user. Then we'll print it out. Your name is, you can see, then we'll add this variable which will display the name of the user. So I want you to do the same with the age. It creates a variable called age, which will take input that is age from the user. What's your age? Then put the question mark and print it out and concatenate it with the variable. So I wish you best of luck. We'll see you in the next class. Thanks.